Yeah, I think it's something new, it's something nice. The kind of style Prabhu's given and presented all of us. I think it's been fabulous. I've always been telling him on the set that I think the way you've presented me, it's really fabulous.
Hello everybody. I hope you all enjoyed the trailer. In fact, even I was watching it for the first time and I absolutely loved it, sir. I think I'll keep it very short and very simple. I've already told Prabhu sir I've been his fan since Urvashi days, so there's no way I could not do this film when I got this opportunity. I've enjoyed watching all his films and it was great time shooting with him. And I think as far as Ajay sir is concerned, he's one of the most phenomenal actors and the biggest stars we have today.
I'm glad I got this opportunity. It's great to be a part of such a big film. They've treated me like family. The journey has been wonderful and I've done my best. I hope you guys like it.
अपनी बीवी को ये लाइन बोल के देखिए, आपको समझ में आ जाएगा ना कमिटमेंट ना अपॉइंटमेंट ओनली पनिशमेंट. क्या बाहर क्या करते हैं फिर आपको समझ में आ जाएगा.
I'm a little picky about the movies that I do and I mean it was an honor to be offered a film with Ajay sir and with Prabhu sir and with wonderful producers. It was very difficult for me not to be a part of this movie and I'm just really grateful that I am, because I got to see a side of Prabhu sir. I mean, I've seen his work as a dancer, but as a director, he's got such a clear vision of what he wants, and it's just amazing to see someone like that on set who's got the entire, I mean, everything in his mind, and he's just going about executing it very, very professionally. It was wonderful to observe that, and it was great to be a part of this project.
It was fun. It was, इस बार प्रभु ने पहली बार लाइफ में मुझसे रिहर्सल भी कराई. मैंने आज तक लाइफ में डांस की रिहर्सल नहीं की, तो अब वो कितना अच्छा है बुरा है वो आप डिसाइड करेंगे. बट आई थिंक प्रभु इज ऑल्सो समबडी हु नोज के एक एक्टर का प्लस पॉइंट क्या है, तो उसको पूरे तरीके से यूटिलाइज करते हैं वो. तो अगर डांस में भी जो मैं कर सकता हूँ, आई थिंक प्रभु ने उसको एक नया एक तरीका दिया है.